Namaste. Welcome to Cosmetic, Homecare and Cospack Expo.
This show is amazing.
I'm very happy because this is my first time here and it has been a very wonderful experience.
It's a wonderful show. It's a big exposure for the industry.
This show has been the most helpful for us since it captures the market that was very untapped.
The response has been tremendous. Last year as well as this year has been a bigger growth.
We've had a lot of visitors here from the entire spectrum of the audience, right from pharma people and then D2C brand owners and marketing people, and then a lot of exciting new young faces who want to start their own beauty brand.
A one-stop solution for the raw materials, the ingredients.
Great place to find out about the latest technologies and to learn.
Day one was super. We didn't expect. I think we didn't have even time to sit. We skipped our lunch and we were very busy with just attending a lot of food customers.
South has a very big potential. So I thank the organizers for organizing this show.
The show was really good for us. We had a great footfall. It was a great experience having a huge client, huge footfall here.
It was a good exposure for all the entrepreneurs and individual limited companies.
It's a good show where all the serious people are visiting. It's getting more popular. Many new faces are there.